This is our part for my journey on applying for the real estate loan. The next thing, yesterday we talked about the corporate documents. This time we're going to talk about what are the financial documents that your lender will be asking. Number one, your current tax return. Like if you are a sole member, LLC, you will be required to submit I 2 years or even 3 years of past tax returns. They have to make sure it's current and updated, and then you're paying taxes. Number two, it's also they would require the balance sheet and profit and loss statement for past 2 years, and the current interim financial statement, which means the for this year. So for example, you're applying for May, they will be looking from January until April, the year-to-date balance sheet and then profit and loss. Then the next one that they're going to look for would be your projections, the projections of your company. By the way, before I forgot, if you're less than 2 years in the company, they will require a business plan. But if you're more than 2 years, they don't require that if they see your company is scaling, which means it's growing every year, the sales and then the net is growing. Now, like what I've said, projections. The good thing if you have already historical data for the past 2 years, you're we can do the projections, and that's what they're looking. Then another thing I think is how are you going to use the funds? Because sometimes the real estate loan does not just cover the purchase of the building; it also covers the improvement, the signage, some of the construction that you're going to do that will can all be included. Then maybe you can also ask for contingency fund. A contingency fund is like 10% or more of the principal amount, because you don't know what other things that you have to do. Maybe you want to remove the carpet, or maybe you want to do the repainting, remodeling, but that it's just optional. It's not guaranteed, but it doesn't hurt to try. The banker wants to see those breakdown. Then you have to explain them why. How does it help your business? Remember, the financial documents are the tax returns, 2 to 3 years updated tax returns. Okay. Then number two is your profit and loss statement for the past 2 or 3 years, together with your balance sheet. Then your projections. Then the projections, what would be the 1 to 2 year income and expenses, and then the other one would be what is the breakdown of the how are you going to use the fund. There you go. If you this is very complex if you're doing it yourself. That's why we are here to help. We're bundling our tax and bookkeeping. All you have to do is click and share, click share and subscribe today. Book our 30-minute free consultation. Again, stay safe. Bye.